Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here. And today I think we're just going to do a couple days vlog. It's Saturday night. I literally just logged off work, thus the red marks on my nose from my blue light glasses. It's kind of a gloomy day, but I am going to run to Food Lion. I need to get a couple grocery items for next week's groceries to fill in my gaps. So I'll share that when I get home. And I also want to get some lettuce because I do have a frozen pizza in the freezer, and I decided I'm not eating out today like I normally would. So we're going to go ahead and get salad so I can have salad with my frozen pizza. But I just thought I would start this vlog off. I know I'm a little chaotic running around because I'm trying to finish up my work stuff so I can go. But I will check in with you when I get back from Food Lion. All right, I'm back from Food Lion. I just preheated the oven so I can go ahead and get my pizza going, but let me show you what I got and I'll explain some of what it's for. I realized I was out of parchment paper. I just bought these sheets because they're just handy for baking and I don't need large rolls anymore, so we got that. I also got some Golden Graham cereal. Basically I buy cereal when I'm making all new recipes in case I don't like something. I have a backup meal on the fly. And I'm making all new recipes for this upcoming week, so that's handy. And I ate through what was left of the other cereal I bought last time. Excuse me, my allergies. And then I got some baby romaine for salad just to have with my pizza tonight. And then for recipes, I needed baby dill for this like potato salad, or no, it's for the dilly chicken that I'm making this week. And I didn't want to buy it last week and have it go bad. Along with the dilly chicken, you make like a potato salad with baby reds and green beans. And then green beans, half of these I'm going to use for the other meal, which will be lemon pepper chicken. So I needed some fresh lemon juice for that. So that is everything I bought at Food Lion. I think I spent about 20 bucks for this stuff. Insane, I think, but it was needed. All right, so I'm gonna go change back into my sweats now that I'm back home, put this stuff away and get the pizza ready to go in the oven because I am starving. And I thought I would share while that's in the oven. I ended up putting the chairs that came with the table together. I'm not super fond of them. I feel like they're kind of bigger and I like the white ones, but my big problem is in here, this is the box that they were in, and my spare room is just getting so cluttered, which I think I mentioned in my declutter video. So I've emptied this out because I've assembled the chairs, but I'm saving this box because I have a project I need a big cardboard box to spray paint in. Once I move that, then I'll put the rest of these in the garage so they're just out of here. So, but I thought I'd share the update that this table now has different chairs.
I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleeping.
The sad thing is I really wanted to sleep in this morning, and instead I have to hear noises from the neighbors and not be able to sleep. And I'm waking up before the alarm would have gone off on a weekday. So I'm gonna get up though, move to the couch, and just have a very slow morning.
Deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. Gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get days up staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing. So I'll go and stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest. Give it a little more faith, I'll be set. And I hope that you'll miss it as it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Day and night, never feeling my best, I know, oh well. But this time will not be the same. It's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been just
About 8:20. I'm gonna give the dog a bath and then I'm gonna take my shower. And then probably watch church and we'll go from there. I've just been honestly chilling on the couch and just watching Firefly Lane. But let's get the dog a bath.
Gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get up. Couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. Oh, it's daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be.
This service as anything, as we are rebuilding altars. That altars are not just the word of the year, but we believe that that is something that God is calling us to do. So at the end of every service, from now until Jesus says to do it differently, our altar team, they are prayed up. We believe in the laying on of hands at this church. We believe in the gift of miracles, prophecy, signs, and wonders. We believe that if it happened in Scripture, it can happen today.
I'm gonna go ahead and make my lunch, which is a new recipe. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it, but this should be easy and quick, and I'm gonna throw it in the oven. I've made something similar to this, like regular sausage balls, but these require rotel, and that's why I want to try it. And I'm modifying this a little bit because it says hot sausage. I'm just using what I had left over in the freezer, and we're gonna cut this in half. I've already been softening the cream cheese. And then you're supposed to use rotel. I'm gonna use this and only use a half a can. And then I have a little bit of Bisquick left. So this is gonna help me use that up. And then of course, some cheese. The recipe calls for Mexican. I'm just gonna use triple cheddar because that's what I had. Basically, throw it all in a bowl, mix it up well, and then we're gonna scoop it onto a cookie sheet and cook it for 20 minutes. I've had some of those sausage balls. They were pretty good. Definitely need to make them a little bit smaller than the size I did, so it goes further, and they're meant to be more of an appetizer anyway. But I'm gonna grab the laundry that needs to be folded in the dryer, and we're gonna go back to watching some more Firefly Lane because I'd like to finish that this weekend. Well, I finished the show and I'm a wreck. That really got me emotionally. But I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping up dinner stuff. So I'll show you dinner, but I'm not gonna talk you through it. If you really want the information, I'll see if I can link it in the description because it's a HelloFresh meal that I found on their website. But I'm gonna get cooking. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this dinner while it's hot. I will say it was a little more work than I was expecting. I hope you enjoyed this little weekend vlog. I know I didn't do anything crazy and it was definitely very more chill, which I kind of needed. I'll let you know this meal is really good. I think this is like the best chicken I've ever had. It's just crispy enough but moist. It's like perfect. And the salad's pretty good, the potato salad. It's very lemony. So it's very fresh, not exactly like a traditional one. So it's good, but the chicken is bomb. Like I will probably make this again. So again, hope you have a good rest of your evening and a blessed day.